I live in a place where it snows sometimes. Not this year because I wanted to go snowmobiling, so of course it's not snowing this year. But anyways, my snow brush here, made from Cambodian tire, this piece goes in here, and it snapped off in the trunk of my car when I lifted up the back seat. Kind of my fault, but if it wasn't made of such cheap metal, maybe that wouldn't have happened. But anyways, this goes in here, and now it doesn't. So I figure what we'll do is we'll just drill this screw out, or not a screw, it's a rivet. You can see that. And hopefully this whole piece of metal slides out. Then we just extendo, and we'll go a little deeper in. We just lose the usefulness of the first hole, getting it short. Shove it back in, put a new screw in. We gotta cut a little slot along the top so that this button fits so that it can snap into here. So we will sort that out as we go. So step one. Go bigger or go home? We'll go for the classic 1/8. We'll go at it like this. Put more force on. She's in there pretty good. Wow. It's pretty brittle. That explains some things. This weighs about nothing. So definitely got to cut a little bit of this out. Gotta go down another little bit. Ears are ringing a little. It's close. Almost need to come a little further. Wonder if this will cut it. Now we just need a screw that'll go in there. I suspect I could conjure something up. This might even do the trick. We'll try a 7/64. Well, it's not super on center. Could have used the drill press, it would have been a little better, but I didn't. How flush is that? Not very. Just about. All I care is if this gets on, because I will never take it out again. Ha! There we are. So, it has to stay this far open, but she's holding. There you have it.